Hello, I'm Joshua.
And I'm Audrey.
Over the past 2 months, we have worked together to create a project for you.
It is called the Marble Run and demonstrates the physics concepts of velocity and acceleration.
Velocity and acceleration are important when describing motion. Velocity is measured in meters per second and tells us the speed an object is moving in a specific direction. It's a vector quantity because it has both a magnitude, a number, and a direction.
Acceleration is a way to describe an object speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction, and is measured in meters per second squared. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. On this marble track, you don't have to do any pre-setup.
All the pre-setup has already been done. To begin, simply grab one of the 2 marbles and place it at the top of the ramp, just letting go. Do not push it or else you could break the project.
The contraption consists of many track pieces, all of which show some combination of velocity, negative velocity, and acceleration. Watch the ball roll down and experience different accelerations and velocities. Once it lands in the bottom box, remove the ball and do it again.
Each ramp is clearly labeled with what it shows. Red means slowing down or velocity decreasing. Green means speeding up or velocity increasing.
Blue is on every ramp, and it means that on that ramp there is a change in acceleration.
The first ramp shows the object accelerating from a stop, and then the marble proceeds onto a second ramp, where it changes direction twice.
The next one shows a steeper slope, and this is where the marble speeds up the most.
After, there are 2 slopes where the marble slows down.
Then the marble speeds up while going down a steep downhill. The object rolls down the final ramp and ends in the box.
Our marble track demonstrates velocity and acceleration by using different angled slopes and multiple twists and turns to show the 3 ways an object can accelerate.
When the slope of the ramp is steeper, the object goes faster. A more straightly angled slope will slow the marble down, which still shows acceleration.
To conclude, velocity and acceleration are key when studying motion in physics. Velocity is a way to measure the speed and direction of an object and is measured in meters per second and a direction.
Acceleration describes the rate of change of velocity and is represented by meters per second squared. These 2 concepts are used commonly in transportation and are key to motion and physics.